Hello and welcome to the second episode of the LOMAD Animated Series. This time, we will discuss Webster versus Office of Children and Family Services. In 2018, our claimant, working as a Youth Division 8, injured his right knee. He received a 50% schedule loss of use award. Fast forward to 2020, while working as a correction officer, he suffered another injury, this time to his right hip. Two independent medical evaluations followed. One doctor provided an opinion that the new injury resulted in a 15% SLU of the right leg, while on the other hand, another expert, however, testified the injury warranted a 50% SLU unrelated to the previous knee injury. The carrier argued that the 50% SLU should offset the previous award, citing the principle that awards for the same body part should not result in a duplicate compensation. But the claimant's expert testified that the hip and knee injuries were entirely separate, leading to a new SLU determination based solely for the right hip. Third Department cited matter of Gunduzo, where the court held that the board may offset an SLU award by previous SLU awards for the same body member, regardless of whether the prior injuries involved the same or separate parts of the same member. However, then it further discussed the Court of Appeals decision in matter of Johnson, where the court opined that when a claimant proves that the second injury, and I quote, considered by itself and not in conjunction with the previous disability, unquote, has caused an increased loss of use, the claimant is entitled to an additional SLU award commensurate with that increased loss of use. If, in other words, Workers' Compensation Law, paragraph 15(7), provides that a claimant may receive more than one SLU award in connection with successive injuries to the same statutory body member, as long as the award for the successive injury is limited to the loss of earning power caused by that injury. The board determined, and the evidence confirmed, that the claimant's right knee and hip injuries were distinct, each contributing to the loss of use in the right leg. Doctor testified that the claimant's hip injury and not the previous knee injury determined the percentage of loss by itself. Therefore, Third Department ruled the degree of impairment to his right leg is caused solely by the 2020 hip injury, and thus the degree of the increased loss of use to the affected member attributable to that particular injury, and thus the claimant is entitled to additional SLU based solely on the right hip. Thank you for watching, and watch out for next month's installment.